So we are here at the Christmas parade in downtown Woodstock, and we're going for DCS. So we're about to go to the parade. Let's go. So it hasn't rained for almost 3 months, and tonight it decided to rain, so we're all freezing cold. But we have our float, we're having so much fun, and the main characters are in the float, like Clara, the Nutcracker, and the Sugar Plum Fairy, and the other lead roles. And, wait for it, there's me! Yay! And also, we're all soaking wet because there's also blowing fake snow from the back of the truck, so that got us wet too if the rain didn't get us more wet. So we're all talking and having so much fun, even though we're freezing our butts off and our hands were frozen and our costumes were getting ruined. And then there's Jaden with Aaron protecting him because he was so sad and cold. And he looks like a wet puppy dog, and he's so sad and feels so bad for him that I have the face of concern. And there's my friend Caitlin, and she's freezing her butt off because she was a candy cane, but overall we had a great time. So we finally got home, and I'm so tired, and we had Chick-fil-A, which I had for breakfast, lunch, and dinner. So yeah, and I'm tired. I'm gonna go to sleep, so good night.